Is your Audi A3 8P key fob not working? Let's get it fixed. The most common causes are a dead battery, remote desynchronization, or a glitch in the comfort module. First, replace the CR20-2 battery. Pry open the fob and swap it out, ensuring a tight seal to prevent water damage. If that doesn't work, try resynchronizing the remote. Manually cycle the ignition key in the driver's door lock. Lock-unlock 5 to 10 times while pressing a button on the fob. 70% of fob issues are solved by battery replacement, so start there. If battery replacement and remote synchronization don't resolve the key fob issues, the comfort module located under the driver's seat may be the problem. A simple reset involves disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. For a more precise approach, use an OBD2 scanner like VAGCOM or Rostec VCDS. Read and clear fault codes, especially DTC01044, related to key recognition. Note that aftermarket stereos can sometimes interfere with the CAN bus, causing comfort module failures, so keep that in mind if you have one installed. Remember, DIY fixes are increasingly popular and effective, saving you money compared to dealership costs.